Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run a Selenium Maven project in Eclipse. To begin, make sure you have the Java Development Kit, or JDK, installed and properly configured on your computer. Then, download and install the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Once Eclipse is ready, create a new Maven project, selecting the Maven Archetype Quick Start option. This sets up a basic project structure. Finally, you will need to add the essential Selenium and WebDriver dependencies to your project's POM XML file. Now let's focus on your project's POM XML file. You'll need to add specific dependencies like Selenium Java, Selenium WebDriver Manager, and a testing framework such as JUnit or TestNG. Make sure to use stable version numbers for each. Also, configure the Maven compiler plugin to use Java version 8 or newer. For good practice, place all your test classes inside the src/test/java directory. This is where Maven expects to find them. With your project set up, it's time to write your Selenium test scripts. Create new Java classes in the src/test/java folder and write your automation code. Remember to use annotations like @test from your chosen testing framework, whether it's JUnit or TestNG, to identify your test methods. To run your tests, simply right-click on your test class or the POM XML file, select Run As, and then choose Maven Test or JUnit Test from the options. If you encounter issues, first verify that all your Maven dependencies have downloaded correctly to your local repository. Double-check your Java environment variables and ensure your Eclipse project's build path is consistent. A crucial best practice is to always use a WebDriver manager. This tool automatically handles downloading and setting up browser drivers, saving you a lot of manual effort. Finally, regularly update your Selenium and browser driver versions to maintain optimal compatibility and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.